So in this lecture we have to see what is mean by XPath. So XPath is nothing but XPath means it is a language, it's a query based language for selecting the nodes from an XML document. In addition to that, XPath may be used to compute the values, example string, numbers, boolean values from the content of XML document. So XPath was defined by the WWW consortium, which is nothing but W3C. What is XPath? XPath is a syntax for defining the paths of an XML document. So XPath uses the path express to navigate in XML documents. So contains a library for standard functions, and also XPath is a major element of XSLT. So what is XSLT means? Extensible style sheet language transformations. So this is the definition for full form for XSLT. What is XPath expression? XPath uses path expression to select the nodes or a node set in an XML document. So these are all the what are all the nodes expressions to select the selected nodes or a node set in an XML document. How XPath is used in XSLT means it is an extensible style sheet language transformations. It is a language for transforming the XML document into other XML document, other formats such as for web pages, plain texts, so as HTML for the web page plain text, etc. So this is why the XSTL with XPath is used. So XPath standard functions number position, count and number last. So the number position return the position of the contact nodes among the list of the nodes that are currently being evaluated, and then count return the number of the nodes in the argument node set. The next one is number function number last return the index of the last node in the list that is currently being evaluated. So these are all the standard functions of XPath. The next one is XPath nodes. So what are all the nodes in XPath is the first one is element, and then the attribute, text, namespace. These are the kinds of the nodes with XPath terminologies. So the next the kinds of nodes, which is namespace, processing instructions, commands and document nodes. So these are all the different kinds of nodes of XPath terminologies. So in this, so this is the common node, root element, element attributes. So for each root element we are using bookstore, element its author. So this is the example, the relationship of nodes. Here we can see the parent, child and then sibling nodes. So each element and attributes has one parent, and then children, the element node may have 0 or more, one or more children's node that have the same parent, that is called as sibling. This is one of the example here. So the next one, ancestor and then descendant, the node parent, parents parent, etc. is ancestors. Nodes children, children's is called as descendants. So thank you.